To complete your APC homework this week, you need to get into 3M. This might be a first for most of you. You might have forgotten. It's been summer, I understand. So I made a little video so I could help you through it. In your class, over here, you have a module called 3M Link and Short Video. Brings you to this screen. Now, it might look a little bit different because I'm the instructor, but brings you to this screen. The username for the 3M link when we get there in just a second is NEI, all capitals, NEI001. That's always the same. And the password right now is all capitals again, AHIMA pound 35. So on this link, I'm going to click on it and log in. Now I just logged in a little bit ago, so it's still in there. To do your APC homework, we're going to use this product drop down. It always comes up with a gender female. The age at admission is one that we usually have to fill in. The admit and discharge date, for my CPT purposes, we never mess with. You might in Shelley's class for I-10, but we never do for this one. I still never mess with the drop down. I guess it doesn't even let you. I've never even tried it. That general hospital always stays. This is the product here that we always change and use. You can go Code Finder, okay, Code or HCPC CPT Finder, DRG Finder, okay, HCPC CPT Finder. I want to go all the way down to APC Finder to do your APC homework, okay, that makes sense. And I want you to click Continue. It pops up right away and shows me, and maybe you can't see this, I'll move the screen a little better. It tells me, hey, I have an invalid age. Well, I didn't put anything in, so I'll just put an age in. Continue. What you need to do to fill out and complete your assignment 19-4 from your 3-2-1 workbook, I got it here so I can review it a little bit, is when you look at assignment 19-4 and you're looking to find APCs to fill out, you just have problems 1 through 5 here. You first have to put in that it's just a hospital outpatient bill type. So always click that. And it wants you to put in a primary diagnosis. I'm going to say hernia. Okay. Number 1 is an umbilical hernia. So I'll say hernia. If you hover over this, you can see that yellow box pops up and you can see umbilicus or umbilical there, so I want to click that. And it says with all of these things, or just pick A for umbilicus or umbilical, so I'm going to click that. If I hover over it, it will tell me just to make sure I'm on the right path, so I'm going to click that. I don't have any gangrene, no obstruction, I'm just reading through number 1. There's no issues going on, so I just want other or unspecified. I do want you are doing a hernia repair, but in this spot, I'm just going to say no procedure or already coded, because I just want the diagnosis code. So K429 is the first diagnosis code that you would write down in your first line for problem number 1 for assignment 19-4, the first listed diagnosis code, umbilical hernia. Then, as your instructions tell you in the homework assignment, you can skip any additional diagnosis codes and skip right down to the procedure code. So I want to go add a procedure over here on the right. So I want to click procedure. And we're going to do, whoops, I didn't type that right. I can click back. I can do hernia repair. So is it a herpes smear? No. Herpes simplex antibody? No. A hero? No. It's a hernia repair. So I want to click 1. It is for umbilical. So I want to pick that one. It doesn't say, it says it's an open approach. So it is not laparoscopic. It doesn't say if it is. It just says it's an umbilical hernia. It doesn't say if it's reducible or incarcerated. I'm going to pick incarcerated. Was the procedure performed with robotic assistance? No, it doesn't say that. So my code is 49587. Okay, 49587. So that's going to be my second answer here to write down for problem number 1 for section A. Now in B, okay, in B it tells you enter the procedure code into the APC grouper software, review your APC grouper results, and answer the following questions. To which APC does this belong to, and what is the estimated reimbursement? I'm going to click continue here. If you click continue, you see on our screen here, and we've got a little bit going on up here too, right? There's some information up here happening. It says, okay, review your diagnoses and the procedure that you coded. Make sure that you have it right. There's a little kind of red edit here that kind of helps the coder, so that's really nice to have built into our 3M system here. If you look here, it tells you about the procedure. It says it falls under APC 05341. Okay. There's a bunch of other information listed here. It tells us our estimated reimbursement total. Okay. There's a lot of information down here, but I just want the total. We don't get into any of this too deep. We get a little bit more in reimbursement class. But for CPT class, just learning about APCs and what they are and how they work. Your answer then for number 1, to which APC does this patient group, you would put 05341. And what is the estimated reimbursement? You can use this $3,228.39. So I hope this helps you figure out how to use your APC finder on the 3M. When you're reading in your 321 workbook, it talks about the grouper. 3M is our grouper. It's the system that we're going to use to find these APCs. When you want to be done, you can go right to the next patient and look, it brings you right back out. Put in an age, you can make it up. I think the problems do actually tell you an age, so that's okay. You can use that. Click continue. Get that first listed diagnosis in there. Get that procedure code in there, and then calculate. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions.